Hello children, today in English we are going to learn a poem that is Six Honest Serving Men. Six honest serving men. Here H is the silent, we have to pronounce A. Six honest serving men. Okay, so these are the honest, loyal and they are serving. Now let's go through the poem. What does the poet want to tell us? Let's go through it. I keep six honest serving men. They taught me all I knew. Their names are what and why and when and how and where and who. I will read all the stanzas first. I send them over land and sea. I send them east and west. But after they have worked for me, I give them all a rest. I let them rest from 9 till 5, for I am busy then, as well as breakfast, lunch, and tea, for they are hungry men. But different folk have different views. I know a person small, she keeps 10 million serving men who get no rest at all. She sent them abroad on her own affairs. From the second she opens her eyes, 1 million house, 2 million wares, and 7 million wise. So the name of the poet is Rudyard Kipling. What is the name of the poet? Rudyard Kipling. Okay, so let's see what's there in this poem. I keep six honest serving men. So the poet keep six honest, loyal serving men, those who serve him. Serving men, those who serve, यानी जो serve करते हैं उसे. Okay, so they keep taught me all I knew. So these serving men are there now. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the serving men, and these are serving them. Here you can see he is serving a food, he is serving something different. So all are having something and they are serving to him. यानी वो उसे सर्व करते हैं. ओके, सो दे टॉट मी ऑल आई न्यू. वॉट एवर द पोएट न्यू, दिस सर्विंग मैन टॉट हिम. दे टॉट मी ऑल आई न्यू, यानी जो मुझे पता है वही वो मुझे बताते हैं, सिखाते हैं. सो टॉट यानी सिखाना, दैट वी ऑलरेडी नो. दे टॉट मी ऑल आई न्यू. Their names are what and why and when and how and where and who. What are their names? What, why, when, how, where and who. Children, do you remember which words are these? Yes, these are the WH words. These words we use to frame the questions. यानी ये जो words है वो हम लोग questions frame करने के लिए use करते हैं. So this poem is about the six honest serving men, that are what, why, when, how, where and who. Okay. I send them over land and sea. I send them east and west. So the poet sent them over land and sea. That means everywhere, on the land and on the sea. Okay, everywhere, in each and every corner of the world. But after they have worked for me, I give them all a rest. So after what? After they work for the poet, after they work for him, he gave them all a rest. यानी वो क्या करता है, पोएट क्या करते हैं, जब भी उनका सब काम खत्म हो जाता है, द सर्विंग मैन का, वो उन्हें रेस्ट दे देते हैं. I let them rest from 9 till 5, for I am busy then. So what? I let them, that means poet let them rest from 9 to 5. Okay, 9 o'clock से 5 o'clock तक he used to give them a rest. यानी वो उनको रेस्ट दे देता है, आराम करने की इजाज़त देता है. For I am busy then. For at that time poet is busy, and from 9 till 5 the poet is busy, as well as breakfast, lunch and tea, for they are hungry men. So not even from 9 till 5. Okay, so poet give them a rest. Poet, instead of I, what do we have to use? Poet give them rest from 9 till 5, as well as breakfast, lunch and a time. So at the time of a breakfast, that means in the morning, lunch, that means in the afternoon, and at the tea, that means in the evening. And after 9 o'clock, to after dinner, they take a rest. For they are hungry men. और उस टाइम पे वो क्या रहते हैं, भूखे रहते हैं. हंग्री दैट मीन्स भूखा रहना. सो भूखे रहते हैं, सो दैट्स वाई he used to give them a rest so they can have their food and they can take the rest. Okay, but different folk have different views. Different folk means people, so different folk, so अलग अलग लोगों की अलग अलग सोच होती है, but different people have a different views. I know a person small, I know a small person, that means poet know a small person. Here I means who? The poet. यानी जिन्होंने एक poem लिखा है, that person is called as a poet. Rudyard Kipling. So he knew a small person. She keeps 10 million serving men. That means that lady keeps a 10 million यानी 100 lakhs people as a serving men, जो उसे सर्व कर सके, उसकी सेवा कर सके. Who get no rest at all. But this lady don't give them rest at all. उनको रेस्ट नहीं मिलता है. Okay, so who keeps the 10 million serving men? A small person. A small person keep 10 million serving men, and they do not get the rest at all. She sends em और यहाँ पे एपोस्ट्रोफी दिया है, सो शी सेंड्स देम, THEM देम. सो उसमें क्या दिया है, दिस इज द कॉन्ट्रैक्शन फॉर्म बनाया है. सेंड्स देम abroad on her own affairs. That means she sent them away to the other places. Abroad, that means to the other places for her work. Affair, that means for her work. From the second she opens her eyes. Second means at the time of the second. Second हम लोगों को second hand पता है ना. So at the time of the second she opens her eyes. यानी जब भी वो अपनी eyes open करते हैं, at the time of the she opens her eyes, she sent them abroad on her own affairs. That means she sent them away to the other places for her work. Affairs means for the work. So whenever she opens her eyes, she sent them away for her work. 1 million house. That means out of a 10 में से 1 million हाउस जो रहता है वो 1 million है उसके पास, जिससे वो भेज देते काम के लिए. Then 2 million wares. Then there are 2 million those who have wares. वो 2 million wares को वो भेजती है काम करने के लिए. And 7 million wives. And 7 million जो बाकी रह जाते हैं उनको भी वो काम के लिए भेज देती है. So here you can see she is the lady who sent all the 10 million serving men for her own work. Okay, that means house means, now we know house का मतलब and everything. What का मतलब क्या है, that we know in Hindi. क्या, why यानी क्यों, when यानी कब, how यानी कितना, where यानी कहाँ, and who यानी कौन. So we know all these things in the Hindi. Okay, so we are going to do this in the next period of English. Now we are going to find out the rhyming words. Men, when. See, me. West, rest. Then, men. Small, all. Then here, affairs, wares. Eyes, wise. Okay? And see the meaning? Folk means people. 10 millions mean 100 lakhs. And abroad on her own affairs means sent away to other places for work. I hope that you understand this poem.